We'll guide you through how to create text effects in Inkscape, making your designs pop with creativity. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape and start a new document. You can do this by going to File and selecting New. Once your canvas is ready, select the text tool from the toolbar on the left, which looks like a capital A. Click anywhere on the canvas and type the text you want to work with. After entering your text, you can change its font and size from the top toolbar where it says Text, allowing you to customize it to your liking. To create effects, you can use the Path menu to convert the text to a path. This step is crucial because it turns your text into a vector object that can be manipulated. Go to Path and click on Object to Path. Now you have more flexibility for a simple 3D effect. You can use the Path Effects feature. Go to Path, then Path Effects, and a panel will open on the right. Click on the plus icon to add a new effect and look for Offset Involate Deformation, or Bend, to start experimenting with different looks. Each effect has its own settings you can play around with. You can adjust nodes using the Edit Paths by Nodes tool, which lets you drag and shape the text to your desired style. To add color gradients, select the text, open the Fill and Stroke panel, and choose Linear Gradient or Radial Gradient from the Fill tab. This allows you to create depth and interest. You can add shadows using the Filters menu. Go to Filters, Shadows and Glows, and select Drop Shadow. Adjust the settings for the shadow to enhance the text dimension. Remember, you can undo any step if you don't like the changes by pressing Ctrl+C. Experiment with different combinations to find the perfect effect that suits your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.